If you are using GoPro to prove your ball earth theory, you've already debunked yourself. The reason GoPro videos have a slight fisheye effect is due to the wide angle lens of the camera. It's actually called a barrel distortion, which is the result of having the 170-degree lens. The curved barrel distortion allows for the 170-degree ultra-wide angle shots that GoPro is known for. Cameras with GoPro fisheye lenses will fluctuate between a convex or concave field of view depending on the angle of the camera. So if you're using this to prove your ball earth theory, unfortunately you've just debunked yourself.